Hello my dear students. In this video, today I will discuss about the past perfect continuous tense. As you can see, the structure of the past perfect continuous tense in various forms. First is in positive, then in negative and in question form. Now before that we have to understand that what is past perfect continuous tense. It describes an action that began in the past and it continued up to a certain point of time in the past. First, you can see the structure as subject plus had been plus verb plus ing and then the rest of the sentence. Like Ram had been teaching here for 5 years. Now, Ram is the subject followed by had been. Now, had been we have to use irrespective to the forms of the subject. Either it can be first person, second person or third person singular or plural number. Followed by verb plus ing, that is teaching, and then the rest of the sentence. Similarly, in the negative form, it is subject plus had not been plus verb plus ing and then the rest of the sentence. Like we had not been reading a book. Next, in the question form, like the other forms, here had will precede the subject, which will follow by been and then verb plus ing. After that, rest of the sentence. Like had Geeta been studying English all day? It's in question form. Now when we will use this past perfect continuous tense, as I have said, that it is used to describe an action which began in the past and continued up to a certain point of time in the past. For example, as you can see, when I visited him in Chandigarh, he had been teaching there for 5 years. That means when I visited him, which is in past tense, when I visited him in Chandigarh, at that particular time, he had been teaching there for 5 years. That means already he had completed teaching for 5 years, but presently he is not teaching there. Next, it shows result at a time in the past. For example, the pavement was wet. It had been raining. Now the pavement was wet. It is in simple past tense. Now the next, that why was it wet? The reason was it had been raining. Now it had started to rain earlier and it was continuously raining for a certain period of time, but the action stopped at an earlier point. As it continued to a certain period of time in the past, and the result was in past perfect continuous tense. So I hope the usage and the structure of the past perfect continuous tense is clear to you. In the next video, we will discuss about the simple future tense. Till then, stay safe. Thank you.